What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. If you read the description, you know exactly what this is. What we got here could be a game changer for our industry. For those of you in school looking to buy clippers, maybe you're out of school, to get clippers at an affordable price has become hard these days. Everything is super expensive, so these are something more affordable for everyone, not just new barbers in school. Package! We got a package here from Suprent. Shout out to the good folks over there at Suprent. We're gonna open this up and see what we got. Suprent is the first company to send me a package, so I appreciate y'all for that. I'm sure many more, but they are the very first. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button. That way you can catch all my content as soon as it comes out. The first thing we got is the Mecha Clipper. This is a real nice box. Not too much going on. The motor has 7,800 RPM. It offers 3 hours of run time. It's a lithium ion battery. All right. And then we have the Dark Reaper shaver. I feel like shavers are pretty affordable, but this could potentially be a lot more affordable. So we got the Mecha and we got the Dark Reaper foil shaver. This box, I feel like an iPhone. Oh, that's fire. This box is made kind of like a display. You take the top off. The clipper's here, but you got a plastic film over the top of it. That's dope. Ooh, they sent me the gold joint. That is a nice clipper. That is a really nice clipper. You got a 5-click lever on the side. It opens up pretty wide. I like that. Got a nice blade on it. They pretty light. They not heavy at all. So this is a DLC blade. It's a cooler blade, so it stays cool. It has double heat reduction technology in it. It's very ergonomic. It does feel good in your hand. You got a gold cutting blade on it. That's nice. Looks like a little bit of a deep tooth on there. Gold cutting blade. So when I turn it on, as you can see, it has a screen built in there that tells you how much percent you have left. It also shows when you should charge it and when it needs oil as well. That's very convenient. I used to go to school with someone and they didn't oil their clippers and they stopped working. They were not moving at all. So that's really, really convenient. The clipper is not loud at all. It's not too loud. I feel like you can use this with kids. Some clippers are just too loud. You can't use them with kids. It makes kids a little nervous. So that's a great thing for that clipper. What else we got in the box? We got a dock. This dock looks pretty convenient. It doesn't take up too much space at all. It's convenient and it makes for better organization on your workspace. So it's nice. What's this? Accessories. So we got oil. Make sure you oil your clippers. Guards. Comes with a total of 8 guards, but here's what the guards look like. These guards will fit on any clipper. Pretty solid guards. You got your charger. It is USB on one end. So all you really need is a block and it plugs right into your dock. You got a clipper brush. It's cool to see companies still sending out clipper brushes. And then you got your manual. I am glad they sent a manual. I do usually read the manuals. It tells you when you first buy a clipper, charge it this many hours or however you want to do it. Just a precaution I like to take to extend the life of the battery. Now let's get to the shaver. So the shaver comes in a very, very similar box. Very similar. When you open it up, it has a plastic film on the front. It's in a bag. It's got some good weight to it. Got the Suprent logo on the bottom. USB-C charging on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Your on switch on the side. The thing with this, when you put the cap on, it makes it to where you cannot turn this on while it's in your bag or if you're traveling with it or whatever. This is a single foil shaver. I don't know if you can hear that. It is not loud at all. The top part of the shaver is pretty nice. It seems to be a little magnetic. Comes off pretty easy. You know, some shavers, you have them and it takes a little strength for you to take the top off. This shaver is slick, so be careful when you grab it. In the box, we have a USB-A to USB-C charger. And then we have a box that says accessories. This shaver head says 4 hair. The replacement one in the box, or I guess the second one in the box, says 4 beard. If you look at the top, the holes are different. The one for beard looks like it picks up shorter hair. It's for shorter hair. The one that says 4 hair looks like it picks up hair that's a little bit longer. So I think that's really cool. Comes with a little clipper brush. Their logo is actually on this brush. I think the attention to detail for this brand is really dope. This shaver has 74,000 RPM. It has a 2-hour charge time, 2-hour run time. This is the very first shaver I have ever seen with a screen on it. It tells you exactly how much battery you have left. You turn it on. The screen is on the very bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's cool. 96% This is 96 power, 96% power left. It tells you when you need to clean out the blades and when to charge it. So that's pretty nice. Let's see if I can get it in there. That's what happens when you turn it on, and then it goes straight to how much power it has. This is the very first shaver I have ever seen that does that. That's crazy. These are two very affordable products. Not only are they affordable, they're very professional. The clipper goes for $69.99 right now on the website. Go get yours. The shaver goes for $69.99 right now on the website. You can get both of these for the price of some clippers that are out there. Those are definitely two prices you want to think about, especially since every other professional clipper you're going to find on the market usually is, I want to say, a minimum of 100 plus at least. So for these to be under $100, that is great. The shaver, this is a really nice shaver. You get a screen on the bottom. You get two different foil heads on it. That is a great price for a professional product like this. Are they worth it? I will let you know after this haircut. After using the Suprent Mecha for a couple days, I will say this is a very premium product. The click lever, you can hear it, it's pretty good. It's pretty solid. It just overall feels like a premium product. It feels very familiar to products that are already on the market today. The clipper is lightweight, it's quiet. I mean, that's all you can really ask for in a clipper. It does clip over comb really well. You can do ball fades. You can take out that zero line really well with this clipper. It fits all the universal guards that are out there, so you won't have a problem finding guards for this or anything like that. And it comes with guards. It doesn't get stuck in hair due to the high RPM, so you don't have to worry about that. This clipper could be used by students. It could be used by new people getting into the industry. It could be used by professionals. Now let's move on to the shaver. The shaver, it cuts through hair really well. You won't have a problem taking that zero bald line out. It's got some nice weight to it. I do recommend this product for sure. If you're looking to get any of these products, I do have a discount code in the description, so check that out if you want to save some money. Other than that, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Like, subscribe, let me know what y'all want to see. Peace.